To demonstrate CodaLab, we're going to take the example problem of counting the number of times the word scientist occurs in words.txt using countoccurrences.py. So in words.txt, I have a giant list of sentences, as you can see here. Running python countoccurrences.py words.txt, I'm looking for the word scientist. I'm going to save my answer into answer.txt. Now this will run for a while. And so to see our answer, 1,403 times. Now the problem with what we just did here is if we come back in a few months, we'll forget the meaning of the answer.txt file. In particular, we'll probably forget which word we actually counted. Doing this example in CodaLab allows us to keep track of how everything was created, which gives us full provenance, or the ability to trace back the history of all of our results. And so to begin doing this, we're going to go to the dashboard and create a new worksheet. I'm going to call it Counting Scientists. A worksheet is like a workspace in CodaLab. Inside a worksheet, we create bundles, which are CodaLab's mechanism for keeping track of provenance. You can think of a bundle as a file or folder in CodaLab. And there are two important kinds of bundles. There are upload bundles, and there are run bundles. The type of bundle simply describes how the data ended up in CodaLab. Upload bundles are files or folders that are uploaded to CodaLab. You can do this in the web interface by clicking the upload button and then selecting the files you want. In my case, I'm going to upload countoccurrences.py and then words.txt. This will take a little while. Okay, so now we have our two upload bundles that we just created. Next, I'm going to create what's called a run bundle. So a run bundle is a file or a folder that's created as a result of executing a command in CodaLab. And I'm going to execute the exact same command that I just ran on the command line. With CodaLab, when you create a run bundle, you need to specify dependencies. So these are files that you use as input. In this case, I'm going to use both countoccurrences.py, my code file, as well as words.txt, my data file. I'm going to type in the command that I ran again. When I hit run, CodaLab will send the command back to the server. The server will actually create a Docker container. It will upload the dependencies into the Docker container's file system, and then it will run the given command. CodaLab will also capture the results of this command and place it into this new bundle that we have here. By default, CodaLab uses an Ubuntu image, but you can build your own image and specify whichever one you like. So we can see the results in answer.txt, and it is indeed again 1,403.
So now we know about bundles and how they give provenance, the ability to track the history of your analyses. But as computational researchers, we also need to manage all of the experiments and jobs that we run and to communicate these results. This can be accomplished through worksheets, which is what you've already seen here. Worksheets use an extended version of Markdown that's closely integrated with CodaLab, so that you can refer to bundles and even other worksheets. You can use worksheets as an experiment manager and quickly see the experiments that have been run, as we are doing here. You can also send links to your teammates to talk about a specific experiment.
At the end of a project, you can also publish results on a worksheet. This allows you to talk directly about the analyses that you've done. So bundles and worksheets are the most important and fundamental concepts in CodaLab, but we've packed a lot more helpful features into this system. We encourage you to check out worksheets.codalab.org follow the tutorials, and to download the CLI. We'll also have more videos up soon to help you get started. Thanks for watching.